litro,
Bravo.
Ponte di 30. Ah no.
Yeah, getting a shiver in the dark. It's raining in the park the main time. Sound of the river, you stolen your whole everything. Come on now. Man's blowing Dixie double fountain. Yeah, you feel alright when you hear the music, man. Yeah. Well, now you're sitting inside, but you don't see too many faces. Coming in out of rain, they hear the jazz go down. Competition, too many other places. Yeah, but the horns, they're blowing that sound, they're blowing way on down south. Way on down south, London town. Check it out, Guitar George. Now he knows all them fancy chords. Ain't just rhythm gonna make that guitar cry and make it sing. Send an old guitar and just all he can afford. When he gets up under them colored lights, gonna play that thing. Then Harry doesn't mind if he doesn't make that fancy scene. Got daytime job, you're doing quite alright, thank you very much. Do the honky tonk just like anything. Saving it up for a Friday night with the Sultans. Yeah, with the Sultans on swing. And a crowd of boys, they're just fooling around in the corner. Drunk and dress their baggies in their best King's Road. Don't give a damn about any trumpet playing man, 'cause it ain't what they callin' it rock and roll. The Sultans. Oh yeah, the Sultans play Creole. Just to step right up to the microphone. He says at last, just as the time bell rings, and you good night, now it's time to go home. Let me make it fast with just one more thing. We are the Sultans. Yeah, we are the Sultans.